welcome to the subject Computer Fundamental. Today we shall begin with the new topic called as Basic Arithmetic Operations using Binary Numbers. Students, you are well versed with the arithmetic operations using decimal numbers. But today we shall study basic arithmetic operations using binary numbers. Point number 1. Binary number system has only two bits or symbols, that is 0 and 1. Students, you know very well binary number system has got only two symbols, and that is why it is called as binary, and the symbols are 0 and 1. Therefore, point number 2, any arithmetic operation results in only 0 and 1. Since students, in binary number system we have to represent any number using only 0 and 1. So even the addition or subtraction or multiplication or division will give results in zeros and ones. Point number 3. Basic arithmetic operations are 1. Addition, subtraction, 3rd multiplication, and 4th division. Today we shall consider only two operations, that is binary addition and binary subtraction. Binary multiplication and binary division will take up in the next class. So point number 1. Since the binary number system has only two bits, that is digits, the addition table for binary arithmetic consists of only following entries. That is 0 plus 0 is equal to 0, 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, 1 plus 0 is equal to 1, and 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 plus a carry of 1 to next higher column. Students, these are the rules to be followed for binary addition. What are the rules? 0 plus 0 is equal to 0, 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, 1 plus 0 is equal to 1, and 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 plus a carry of 1 to next higher column. Point number 2. Carryovers are performed in the same manner as in decimal arithmetic. Students, you know how carryovers are performed in decimal number system. You have studied in standard, second, third. Since 1 is the largest digit in binary number system, any sum greater than 1 requires digits to be carried over. So students, in decimal number system, when the two additions become 10 or more than 10, you carry 1 forward to the next higher column. Similarly here in binary number system, when the sum becomes more than 1, you have to carry it to the next higher column. We'll take up one example, that is add binary numbers 101 and 10 both in binary and decimal forms. Solution: in binary you are adding 101 plus 10. The same numbers in decimal can be represented as 5 and 2. So when you add 5 plus 2, you get 7. Similarly, when you add 101 plus 10, you get 111. So both 111 in binary is equal to 7 in decimal. Now we will take binary subtraction. The principle of decimal subtraction holds good for subtraction of numbers in other number system. So whatever is the subtraction rule in the decimal, same are true for decimal, octal, hexadecimal, and binary. It consists of two steps repeated for each column of the numbers. Point number 3. The first step is to determine if it is necessary to borrow. If the subtrahend, the lower digit, is larger than mind, the upper digit, it is necessary to borrow from the column to the left. Students, when you are subtracting a larger number from a smaller number, you have to borrow. Point number 4. It is important to note here that the value borrowed depends upon the base of the number system and is always the decimal equivalent of the base. Students, you very well know when you are working in any number system, okay, so what value you borrow depends upon the base of the number system. If you borrow unit 1, you are borrowing same number as that of the base. For example, point number 5, hence in decimal 10 is borrowed, and in binary 2 is borrowed, in octal 8 is borrowed, and in hexadecimal 16 is borrowed. Why? Because these are the bases of that number system. Point number 6. The second step is to simply subtract the lower value from the upper value. Okay. Point number 7. The complete table for binary subtraction is as follows. 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. 0 minus 1 is equal to 1 with a borrow from the next column. 1 minus 0 is equal to 1 and 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. These rules you have studied in decimal addition and subtraction also. Point number 8. We can note that it is necessary to borrow only when we subtract 1 from 0. You can see when you are subtracting 1 from 0, then only we are borrowing, otherwise no. We will take up one example. So subtract 1 0 from 1 1. So decimal equivalent value of 1 0 is 2 and 1 1 is 3. So when we subtract 1 0 from 1 1, we get 0 1. Similarly, when we subtract 2 from 3, we get 1. So students, today we have introduced ourselves to binary arithmetic and we have studied binary addition and binary subtraction. This is very easy for you to understand. Please write this in your notebook, okay, and study. Thank you.